Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a data limit on your Windows 11 computer. So if you have limited internet bandwidth per month, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully limit some of this to make your computer more efficient with your limited resource. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by right-clicking on the Windows Start icon, and you're going to select Settings. Select Network and Internet on the left side, and then on the right, select Data Usage. So if you have a limit, you can go ahead and select the Enter Limit button for whatever your Wi-Fi connection is, or Ethernet too. So you can click the drop down here, and if you have different connections, you can select different limits for different connections. And go ahead and select the Enter Limit button. You can go ahead and reset it every month or so, and you can set the data limit in megabytes or gigabytes. So basically, Windows can help you track data usage to stay under your limit, and they will warn you when you're close, but it won't change your data plan. So at least it'll give you a heads up if you're getting close to your limit. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.